Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Xiaomi Mi True Lite earbud earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there are two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they are not syncing or pairing with your device, or they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or any type of connection issues like this can very often be fixed with this hard reset. Now you will need to pair them again because all of the pairing history will be deleted off of the earbuds. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting these up on a new phone or just any kind of situation where you want to set them up new as if you were just taking them out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. All we need to do is go ahead and put the earbuds in the case. And with the earbuds seated in the case, we're just going to come and find the button on the side of the case and press and hold it for 10 seconds. So at first, this little indicator light on the front will be solid white as it is now. And after about 5 seconds, it will start blinking white. And then after a few more seconds, the reset will be complete.